Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable theming with styled components, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin enabling theming with styled components, first, ensure you have styled components installed in your React project.
If it isn't installed yet, you can do this by running the command npm install styled components in your terminal.
Next, you need to create a theme object that will hold your style variables.
Inside your project directory, create a new file named theme.js.
In this file, define an object with your desired colors and styles. For instance, you might include properties like primary color, secondary color, and font size.
Now that your theme object is ready, the next step is to set up the theme provider.
Import theme provider from styled components in your main application file, typically app.js. Wrap your application component with theme provider, and pass your theme object as a prop. This makes your theme accessible to all styled components within your application.
To create styled components that utilize the theme, use the props parameter in your styled definitions. Access the theme properties using props.theme. For example, you might create a styled button and set its background color to props.theme.primaryColor. This connects your styled components directly to the theme. To switch themes dynamically, you can add state management to your app. Use React's useStateHook to create a state variable that holds the current theme. Create a function that toggles between your defined themes, updating the state accordingly.
When the state changes, pass the updated theme object to the theme provider. This allows your entire application to respond to theme changes in real time.
Lastly, ensure you test your setup by rendering different styled components. Confirm that the styles reflect the correct theme properties based on your current selection. By following these steps, you can successfully enable theming in your React application using styled components.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.